So today we'll start with the second lecture series, that is what is the meaning of patent. So like I already mentioned to you all in the previous class, patent is the intellectual property right which is related to inventions. So what do you mean by patent? So patent is the exclusive right which is provided by the government to the inventor for his or her invention. So what do you mean by exclusive right? Exclusive right in the sense only you who have invented that particular product will have the right to use it, sell it in whatever manner. So you can exclude others. Exclusive right such that you exclude other people from making that same product or in whatever process you made that product. So only you have that right. So you have the exclusive right and it is provided by the government. Now you will ask why government provided you with that exclusive right, such that you give full disclosure. So you disclose information regarding your invention to the government. So only when you tell the government that you have made such a invention, you tell what in manner and all details of that invention, then government will provide you with that exclusive right and then you can use it. So you can prevent others from using that particular product. Now you should understand that this right is for a period of 20 years. So patent right is a limited right. You will get it only for a period of 20 years. So what happens after 20 years? So after 20 years, this whatever product you invented, it will fall into the public domain. Public domain in the sense anybody can use it. So you will lose your exclusive right. So in case you want to continue with your exclusive right, you have another option, that is you can renew it. So once you renew it, again you will have that exclusive right. So next thing you have to keep in mind regarding patents is that it is territorial in nature. So what do you mean by territorial? Territorial in the sense only in a particular area. So if I am applying patent in India, so I will get patent in this particular country only and I won't get it in other countries. So if I want to get patent in other country, I should apply to each and every country separately. Separately, only then you will get patent from that particular country. So I hope you guys are clear till what I said. So I'll repeat it once again. The meaning of patent is that it is an exclusive right which is provided by government to the inventor for his or her inventions. So you should keep only these things in mind. Exclusive right. For what? It's provided for inventions. And who gives it? The government provides it. So I hope you guys have understood till now.